Hi, my name's Aaron, and I'm a product designer here at Skullcandy. Today, I'm going to walk you through a product that in some ways is a little overdue. It's called Vert, and it's not just one of our newest wireless earbuds, it's the best solution that we've created for combining audio in several of our favorite sports. Specifically sports involving helmets or gloves, two things that can make listening to music or taking calls extremely inconvenient when you're on the mountain. We designed Vert to make sure nothing gets between you and your music, and we did it with this brilliant clip-on control dial. The dial attaches to goggle straps, backpacks, hydration systems, jacket collars, just about anything, and it allows you to control everything wearing gloves or even mittens. The entire side here is one huge button. You can use it for on, off, pause, play, taking calls, and activating your digital assistant. The dial also has an outer ring that lets you turn volume up or down and jump forward or backward between tracks. But just like we don't want anything to get in between you and your music, we don't want your music to get in between you and your surroundings. For safety's sake, it's definitely a good thing to be able to hear other riders on the slopes or cyclists on the trail. So we designed the buds not to block external noise. The low profile makes them more comfortable under your helmet ear pads. And even without pads, you'll never have to worry about them getting loose. The fit fins make them super secure, while the shape allows you to still hear everything that's going on around you. We also know that with all your gear, it's easy to misplace things. So we added built-in tile tracking to help you find your Vert if you ever leave it in the wrong bag or someone tries to borrow it. And that's Vert, the one earbud for every adventure. You can buy it at fine mountain retailers or now at skullcandy.com. See you on the trail.